HVO is also known as hydro-treated vegetable oil. It is entirely made from waste-based products such as used cooking oil and other waste fats and tallows. This is what makes it a renewable fuel, and it's great for the circular economy and just uses up product that would have otherwise ended up in landfill. It's an ideal solution to support these really ambitious net zero targets that industry has.
It was about 2021 when we first started trialing HVO. We initially trialed in a few sites, and we had to work with the manufacturers. There was some resistance and there was some concerns, but then we looked at the data and the carbon data and the potential savings of about 90%. Really, that figure outweighed any other concerns, and the company made the bold decision to go entirely HVO in April 2022.
Using HVO comes with a range of benefits, from environmental benefits to performance benefit. The main one is the immediate carbon reduction of up to 90%. It's odourless, and the particulate matter and NOx reduction is also brilliant for improving the local air quality. That means it's better for the operatives, it's better for their health, it's better for the local communities around site.
We always knew that construction is a problem. It's one of the biggest carbon emitters. We had to do something about it in line with our own pledge to net zero. I think this goes further, and it goes into the DNA of J Coffey, being a company where at its core is the care, consideration and responsibility.
We use HVO in all the diesel plants, so everything from a generator all the way up to the largest machine that we have. Everything that was diesel is now HVO on the fleet.
Choosing HVO, it can make such a big difference.
And it's a simple switch because you don't have to do anything to the engines. Straight replacement for diesel.
There's no need to invest in additional infrastructure or any modifications to plant or fleet enabled to implement this strategy. It is a direct drop-in replacement, and it can also blend with the existing diesel that you already may have left in your tanks. So that's a great way just to know that you can make a start today and you don't have to look too far in the future to start making a reduction to your emissions. At New Era, we understand the importance of ensuring that the entire supply chain is sustainable. We ensure that all of the feedstocks that are used for the HVO that we supply are all certified under the ISCC scheme. What this does is ensures that all of the feedstocks are 100% waste-based, no virgin crops and no purposely grown crops can ever be used for the production of the fuel. We issue our customers with quarterly renewable fuel declarations, which are essentially certificates that evidence the full chain of custody for the HVO that they have received during that period. So that will list the feedstocks, the country of origin, the country of production, as well as other critical data such as the GHG percentage reduction within that quarter.
Having New Era as a partner in our roadmap is great. They're reliable, they're on time, they're transparent as well.
For us, it's really important that we work with like-minded businesses where our values align. So for us, working with J Coffey is absolutely perfect. They are the prime example of a business that has a vision in mind. They have sustainability at the core of their values. So we've been fortunate enough to be partnered for, I think, coming up to 10 years now, which is incredible.
Sustainability is not a trend, it's a responsibility, and this is how we feel it.
Yeah.
It's not because the policy says it, it's care, consideration, and responsibility. And this is for our workers, this is for our clients, this is for our wider communities, and this is for the planet Earth that we all share.
And it's tangible. We can do it there and then. Rather than carbon offsetting, we're actually making a difference with what we do on the ground.
Obviously, we run our own fleet on HVO. That in turn reduces their Scope 3 emissions. So we're not undoing all of their hard work when they're putting in all of this effort to reduce their own Scope 1 emissions.
We'd like to leave some kind of a legacy, being caring, being considerate, and being responsible. You know, if we can inspire anyone within Coffeys or even outside, and then we'd be very proud.
Yeah, we want to make a difference.